Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to delete Headway account. I wonder why you want to know how to delete Headway account. Maybe because you don't need your account any longer, so you want to delete it. Maybe because you have created another account, or maybe you're having some issues with your account, so you want to delete it, or there could be any other reason for you to delete your account on Headway. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can delete your Headway account. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Headway app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And you also have created your account on it, because if you don't have an account, then you couldn't delete it. So it's must to have created account on it, and also you all logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Headway app to open it. Once the app gets open, it will just take a while to load, and then you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have different options almost all over the screen. There are multiple books that you could read or listen. Right now you're into the For You or Home section, where you have different trending and different books. Other than that, we have the second option, Search, or you could say Explore, where you could go and find different kind of books and explore them. Here you could go to library and find the save things that you have done on this app. And here we have this option for account, and we have to get into this option. Once you get into this option, you will see this option at the top, which is a settings icon. Just simply click on it. Once you click on settings, first you will read the title of settings, and there you find many different options. Every option here is different from each other and is on purpose that it performs in this app. So here we have this option which says delete account. Once you tap onto this option, it will show you some of the things, like if you delete your account, if you have saved any books or anything, it will permanently get deleted. So if you're okay with that, you can click on delete account, but if you're not okay with that, then you should not delete it, you just log out your account. But if you're okay with that, what you have to do is that you have to type goodbye. Make sure you enter the correct spelling and correct way of goodbye here. Once you enter all these spellings, it will allow you to delete your account. But if you enter wrong spelling like this, it will not allow you to delete your account. So here I've entered the wrong spelling, but it is not allowing. So here I remove this one and enter the correct way as it is written on top, like in the capital letters and with correct spelling. Once you're done with all this, just simply click on delete account, and after that your account will get deleted. So now your account has been deleted successfully. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can delete your account on Headway. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.